the road to get the 850. She's back, baby. Just gonna go get it, bring it home. Once I get it in the yard, I'll give you guys a little breakdown of what happened and let you know if Can-Am stands by their warranty and stands by their machines. All right, we're home. Yes, we're home. The 850's back. Fresh back from Adventure Motors up in New Glasgow. Wasn't too long getting this situated. They left it outside for the week, so my black gas cap is now bronzed. My bright orange bungees are not bright orange anymore, but it's fixed. We're back in business. So the question is, did Can-Am fix this under warranty? The answer is yes. It was a pretty easy process. There wasn't any hassle whatsoever. Just told them what happened, got it up there pretty much right away, dropped it off. They looked it over, ordered the new gearbox. Took them over a week to look at it because they're super busy. Then it took about 2 weeks to get it delivered and installed. Luckily, Can-Am had one in stock up in Ontario, so it's just a matter of getting it here and finding time to put it in. And now we're back in business. So it is Can-Am's original 6-month warranty that this would be under, not their extended warranty. So they do stand by their machines within that 6 months anyway. So fingers crossed I don't run into any problems with the extended warranty and even need to use it. But if I do, no, not even gonna say that. So I do know for a fact they will stand by their machines during the 6-month warranty. I know this gearbox thing has been popping up with the 21s and the 22s. There hasn't been a recall or anything. They have to be aware at this point that people are having these problems. I know of a couple instances where people have had issues getting them to cover this gearbox issue, but it looks like now they're realizing there's a problem, and literally the easiest thing ever. Drop it off, get it done, pick it up. Easy, no problem at all. And now we're back in business. So that's enough rambling on. I've been missing this thing, happy to have it back. So I'm gonna hop on her, go for a rip. Listen to her purring. Man, am I ever excited to be hopping back on this thing. She should be running in tip-top shape. Only gonna be a quick rip, but gotta make sure the halos are right anyway. Yes, sir, let's hop on her. Woo! Might as well head right for the mud hole first thing. I haven't even been back there since the video on it. Man, I'm happy to be on this machine again. God damn, it's been too long. Not that I'm on a run every week, but I get on it for something, whether it's a rip in the evening, just putting around the yard somewhere. Woo! Oh, she's getting soft back here. There's no water, but it's soft. Oh, she's dried up, I think. Yeah, quite a bit. This thing back. Woo! Yeah, baby. Man, everything is dry looking. That's not dry. There's not much water, but the ground's still soft once you get chewing. Yeah, it's a decent little spot to do water wheelies sometimes, but I picked this for a decent spot to do water wheelies, but she's dry. Should still be able to wheelie a little bit, I guess. Maybe. Oh, that'll do it. I'm not in sport mode. Sport mode, boys, sport mode. Can-Am, how come every time I turn this off, I gotta put it in sport mode when I start it back up? Woo! Let's do another. I'm gonna sign off. More to come. Now that the 850's back, we're gonna get into it a little more. I got a couple videos planned. So like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.